Hello guys, how to enter advanced startup repair mode in Windows 11, 10 and Windows 8. Users of Windows 11, 10 and 8 may have noticed that it includes a new recovery feature called automatic repair. If your Windows 11, 10 and 8 system cannot boot or start up, automatic repair, which earlier called startup repair, will come into action and try to diagnose and fix the issue. Basically, this process is used to resolve various type of blue screen of death BSOD error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. When the computer boots up, the OS detects something is wrong, and the first attempt is press power button to start your system. As soon as manufacturer's logo appear and Windows try to boot, press power button to perform a hard shutdown your Windows system. Thereafter, repeat this process 2 more times. On the third boot attempt, Windows will boot into repair environment. Boot process 3 times in a row. For when you do this, automatic repair mode will appear and such type of a screen will appear preparing automatic repair. Thereafter, diagnosing your PC, and this process will boot your system in safe mode also. It will take some times, wait for few minutes, and automatic repair windows will appear on your screen. Automatic repair, your PC did not start correctly, press restart or restart your PC, or you may choose advanced options to look various options to resolve your various types of blue screen of death BSOD error in Windows 11, Windows 10 and Windows 8. Automatic repair option will solve your startup problem also. Here choose advanced options, from which you will find a list of options to fix your BSOD error or enter into your system in safe mode also. Click on advanced options, choose an option. Here continue, troubleshoot and turn off your PC. Choose advanced option, troubleshoot, then choose advanced options. Here a list of options will available: system restore, system image recovery, startup repair, command prompt, startup settings, go back to the previous build. That's